Neelima Azim, mother of Shahid Kapoor, mother of Ishan Khattar. Must not have been very easy being a single parent. You separated from Pankaj Kapoor.
Maybe it was not a good idea at that point of time for him to have taken off to Bombay without me and later without Shahid. Maybe then a home would have.
शाहिद का जिस दिन जन्म हुआ, let's recall that.
You won't believe how much in a hurry Shahid was to come into this world. When he came out and he was brought to me, I said, "अरे ये तो फिरंगी लग रहा है, ये क्या मेरा बच्चा है? Are you sure?"
You came to know that Meera is pregnant and Shahid hadn't told you then. कौन सा बेवकूफ़ था जिसने उड़ता पंजाब को लीक कर दिया था ऑनलाइन?
यार हमारे कंट्री में बेवकूफ़ नहीं है, हमारे कंट्री में करप्ट है.
How did you meet Rajesh Khattar?
I met him on the sets of फिर वही तलाश. There were a lot of actors that were auditioned for that role, including Shah Rukh.
Was it tough sometimes, especially the teenage years or the growing up years of Shahid, or maybe the early years in Bollywood? He was close with Kareena Kapoor, then they broke up. Then he was close with Priyanka Chopra, they broke up.
Ishan can do Desperate beautifully. So many scenes in Homebound.
First movie of Shahid.
Ishq Vishk.
Yes.
Ishq Vishk mein to I was with him on the set every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Is Ishan also very particular about his personal life? Say there were rumors about Ananya.
उस वक्त राइटर्स जो हैं जब आते थे आपको कहानी सुनाते थे, नरेशन देते थे, तब क्या उनका होल्ड होता था नरेशन में और ज़बान.
Talk to me about Misha and Zayn.
चांदनी भी वही हैं और सूरज भी वही है. I do feel that old was gold and the real stars existed then. Heightened stardom, heightened larger than life, you know, iconic stars like what you call film stars, yeah, right? I don't see that. कुछ तो है जिसकी वजह से सॉरी टू से मुझे लगता है कि एक बड़े लेवल पे जैसे मेजॉरिटी जिसको कहते हैं थोड़ा खोखला. It becomes very difficult for me to be candid. I like to call a spade, but I have stopped doing that now because I don't want my sons to feel uncomfortable.
The Vicky Lalwani show has a very special guest today. It's Neelima Azim, mother of Shahid Kapoor, mother of Ishan Khattar. Top exponent of Kathak and very famous for roles in serials like Talash and Phir Wahi Talash. And of course, he's done several good films starting from Karam Yodha, Salim Langde Pe Matro, and Sadak and more. Neelima ji, thank you so much for joining me. I would say आपके ज़िंदगी के बहुत सारे पन्ने हैं और आज हो सके तो मैं सारे पन्ने आगे पीछे करता रहूँगा. और मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ आपसे शाहिद का जिस दिन जन्म हुआ. Let's recall that.
Okay, first of all, let me say thank you so much for asking me to be on your show, Vicky. You're an old friend and it's very comfortable to sit and chat with you. So I made it a point that we must meet and we must catch up. And thank you once again. शाहिद के बारे में क्या जानना चाहते हैं आप, क्या हुआ?
बताइए, जब से आप हॉस्पिटल गए वहाँ से शुरू कीजिए.
हाँ, so when Shahid was to be born, I was very young. I was a girl, and I remember that my gynecologist, the doctor, she was the top, maybe one of the absolute top doctors, Dr. Manchanda. Still remember her, very smart woman, dynamic. She said, "अरे भाई एक बच्ची का बच्चा हो रहा है." You know, I was so small. 1.5 inch I actually gained because I had stopped dancing for those 10 months. And since I was eating and resting and all, मैं खूब लंबी हुई. So that's why she used to always say that. So when I went to the hospital, I was very excited. I thought it's a party. I was at that age where just the excitement of having the baby was on the top of things. It's later I realized that it's very challenging and painful. But I was very fortunate. I had a very quick labor and he was born very, very fast. You won't believe how much in a hurry Shahid was to come into this world. And so it was just 2.5 hours, and the doctor couldn't believe it, okay? And when he came out and he was brought to me, I said, "Arey, ye to Firangi lag raha hai. Ye kya mera bachcha hai? Are you sure?" He was so pink and golden and light-eyed and so beautiful with his dimples and all. So yeah, I think that moment of having Shahid in my arms will be always the absolute top-notch moment of my life. Despite the fact that I had a good life, I had a very active life, I had a very beautiful, successful life where I was just traveling like a gypsy and performing all over the world and, making a splash. And it was just gorgeous meeting all the people from very rich cultural inheritance all over the world. But Shahid jab paida hua, this is the first time I think I felt कि मेरा अपना कोई है और वो हमेशा रहेगा. पहली बार मुझे ऐसा एहसास हुआ कि ये मेरा अपना जो है इतना करीबी कोई है.
What was Pankaj Kapoor's first reaction? Your husband, how did he react?
I don't quite remember, Vicky. It was a very long time back and over 40 years. So मुझे इतना याद नहीं है. It's all very hazy. But I can tell you about myself and all the people that brought him up. And so it was a very big change in everyone's life, especially my father's, my mother's. My brother was a fantastic mamu to him. So was his wife, lovely mami. So yeah, it was a lovely home, family, and then cousins and aunts and uncles and all. So it was...
You were staying together?
Yeah, but बहुत आना जाना था और दिल्ली में बहुत लोग थे. हम जाते भी थे और रहते भी थे ननियाल में सब लोग. तो he had a very big, large family. So in that sense, I think it was all good.
But it must not have been very easy, Nilima, because, being a single parent, I think you separated from Pankaj Kapoor.
When Shahid was 3.
3. And
I was a very young girl.
Yeah, so it mustn't have been easy. And what was the reason? Because you have said in one of your interviews that you had married a friend.
Yeah, well, I have stopped analyzing and over-analyzing and intellectualizing things. But introspection, yes, of course, that is always there to evolve. And as you grow older, there are quieter moments when you reflect on things. And I just feel that, unfortunately, it wasn't meant to be. Because nobody gets married to separate, right? They get married to stay together forever. But I think maybe we were very different people. And also, Vicky, marriage is not about just what anybody did or what happened. I think it's about where you are in your mind or where you are in your life. Which phase are you in? And if that vibration doesn't have the same frequency, I just feel that, it doesn't sit well. It just doesn't sit well. And I think there was a very massive distance since he was in Bombay and I was in Delhi. And I was still very much the girl that was in Delhi with my parents because that's how it was. And maybe it was not a good idea at that point of time for him to have taken off to Bombay without me and later without Shahid. Maybe then a home would have, but aisa hua nahi. And, an artist is very much in his own artistic endeavors and space and dreams and imagination and all. So that takes up so much of a preoccupational kind of a thing.
That consumes the artist.
Yeah. And I was, then I went back to dancing in Delhi. Once I went back to dancing, I mean, music and dance is a full thing. It's a way of life.
So was it that you wanted him to stay in Delhi and he wanted you to stay in Bombay?
He asked me and I supported him. I said, go ahead. You're extremely talented.
No, but was it that he wanted you to settle in Bombay and you wanted him to settle in Delhi?
I don't think we could afford us coming to Bombay at that point of time with a very small baby. So he was here. He was trying to make ground here. And I was in Delhi. So I think it was years of distancing that made us go our own ways.
It must be very painful for him to also leave a child who's barely 3, or you also to adjust to all that, accept all that?
Well, it was so long way back. It's like some other lifetime for me now, 40 years down the line. I'm a very different human being today. If I was to say there is a different Nilima sitting in front of you than the Nilima then, and I was too young also. I was just too young. So I think it was just too much for my very young shoulders to handle. Yeah, but if I look at it from every angle, I always say this, and I don't know how many people understand it, but I have no regrets because I have Shahid, and same goes for Ishan. So I have no regrets. And मेरी तो दुआ ही है.
मैं कुछ पन्ने जल्दी से आगे घुमाता हूँ, and I remember you saying that Shahid is world's best dad.
Yes, I think he is, well, I would say he reminds me in many ways of my father. And I think Shahid was very influenced by his Nana. And he loved him and adored him. I think that's one of his most loved relationships, And my father was a great parental figure also, not just a grandparental figure in Shahid's life. And Shahid adores him, his memories, and he was that kind of a man. The world said that about him. So he was, I think, very fortunate to have my father in his life. Very fortunate.
So he's imbibed all those qualities.
Yeah, I think he's जिसे कहते हैं ना, इंसान तरस जाता है अपने formative years में, तो उस ज़माने में जो उसको जो खूबसूरती और हुस्न मिला ना from my father, also the love, the warmth. So it was all good, yeah, Vicky. It was really good. He is a very good father. I mean, he is a very involved father for one thing. And besides being a very involved father, I think he really cares that he should be a good father. That interest, that leaning towards wanting to be the best friend of his children, the best guide, the best companion, the best dad, so parent. So I think it's lovely. He's a very good father.
I remember you making another interesting statement that you came to know that Meera is pregnant. And Shahid hadn't told you then.
I sensed it.
How?
Intuition, wisdom, and being another woman that was the most connected to them as Sasha's mother. And I always considered Meera my own daughter. So it's just not a daughter-in-law. And and I just don't know. It was just a very strong intuition. I think a woman is very connected with her children. A mother is very, very connected. Children don't know it. Children don't know how much they're actually thinking exactly like them.
That's a very good point.
Yeah, children don't know it. They actually think that, they have many other relationships. But I don't think the way God has made it, a mother kind of just knows, And so I knew. It was lovely.
There's this famous saying, God couldn't be everywhere, so he made mothers.
Yeah. बहुत होता है, बहुत दिल की धड़कन होती है माँ की बच्चों के दिल में, और उनके दिल की धड़कन उनके दिल में होती है. I feel कि it's not just about birth. I think you bring in not just DNA, but you bring in a lot of emotion along with it.
When did Shahid start staying separately?
When he was about 23. He started, and more or less the same time Ishan also. And I encouraged it because I think that they actually grew up with just a woman, their mother. So they manned up on their own and they found their paths. They found their artistic truth and they became their own people, So it's a good thing because they'll make wonderful men for their women. And Shahid already has his, and Ishan, inshallah, will also. I just think they're both very strong boys, very well etched out because they learned to be on their own feet.
Describe.
I was a very pampering mother. I was a very involved mother. They were mama's boys. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. I'm proud that they're men, you know, I don't mean it in that, masculine, overtly masculine sense. I just mean it that they're warm, nice men.
Describe your daughter-in-law, Meera.
Meera is very intelligent.
Time लगा घुलने मिलने में?
I think every relationship takes time. Every relationship should take time. You know, you can't go gushing in like a headless chicken. It takes time to understand. She came from a different sort of a background with very different leanings and interests. Of course, I also had a background through my brother of English literature and highly developed English literature with my brother. So I've also done a lot of reading. I'm a vociferous reader and all. So there were certain things that were similar, but she's from Delhi, I'm from Delhi. But at the same time, I would say that we're different personalities, and it's better to complement each other if you're different than to stand against each other.
This self-made journey,
Yeah.
2 sons, was it tough sometimes, especially the teenage years or the growing up years of Shahid, or maybe the early years in Bollywood? Let's say he was close with Kareena Kapoor, then they broke up, then he was close with Priyanka Chopra, they broke up. Those moments, how you comforted him?
See, I don't talk about that at all, because that's
बिल्कुल
his
बात नहीं
private
होती है,
life.
बिल्कुल नहीं,
No,
कभी
it's his private life to reveal. It's his private life to share. It's his choice to share or not share.
Absolutely.
So I respect him so much, and he's a grown-up man, in his own right, being a father and everything, a husband. I wouldn't talk about his past. Everybody has a past. Everybody has relationships. Everybody has affairs. Everybody has heartbreaks.
But he doesn't share it with you much.
I would not share it with you.
That's fine.
Of course, he has. I was with him.
Yeah.
So the closest person to go to person was me in his life.
Those times tough, I'm saying, as a mother.
Yeah, Vicky, it depends entirely on your lens. If you look at the world as a place where there are no problems, there are only challenges, and a part of growing up and a part of evolving, then you don't look at things as problems, you look at them as something very interesting that you've experienced and learned from. And I do think that motherhood is usually said it's tough to be a single woman and all that, but I've repeatedly always said that मैंने ज़्यादा indulge नहीं किया इसमें. I'm quite proud of what I came through.
There was one more interesting statement, or rather something that caught my eye, which you said earlier. Talking about your separation from your first husband, Pankaj Kapoor, you said, we are simply human beings who can be rejected.
Vicky, what I said in
this
the past,
line had been
I believe in life
quite a lot.
I believe in life. Every day you're changing.
Yeah.
Every day you're evolving. Every day your thoughts, take you to an entirely different perspective. So as we experience, as we grow, as we get deeper, as we understand life, we get more mellow, and we look at life with more warmth and compassion, and look at everybody with more kindness and understanding also.
तो ये तब बोला था.
हाँ, तो मैंने बोला होगा, मुझे अब याद नहीं है. I just don't really think about the past at all, because it's like 42 years back. So it's like another lifetime, I mean, like if somebody was to ask you when you were 5 years and 6 years and what were you wearing, you wouldn't remember. So it's like that. My first relationship was when I was a very young girl. And like I said, that there's respect for it. Period.
How did you meet Rajesh Khattak?
I met him on the sets of Phir Wahi Talash. He was playing. He was brought in the series much later. His character entered in much later. उनका जिक्र विक्र होता रहा Captain Salim का, but he actually became a part of the series physically much later, and I met him on the sets. There were a lot of actors that were auditioned for that role, including Shah Rukh, which is the interesting part. And we actually sat together and rehearsed together, and he auditioned for it. But they felt that he's not looking like an army captain. He's looking very young and
Shah Rukh.
yeah, very He was like dimples and that kind of a look and not that kind of height physique. They wanted a very military looking sort of, chap.
Little more Therav that time.
More like built up and, that kind of, ke dekh ke lage ke haan, he's a military, army captain, So, so then he got it. And I think Revati ji very strongly recommended him. He was doing a lot of English theatre at that time. So he had just done Bhutto, and that had been like in the news. And so he came, and I met him for the first time on the set. And the moment we met and the moment we did our first shot, we knew it's going to be good.
And
Because the chemistry was good.
You all attracted to each other.
No. We were friends for a very long time. I mean, what is there to be attracted about? We were working, both of us. But there was a very good working rapport. Very good chemistry.
And when did you decide that, okay, I want to marry him?
No, that was a long time later. We were friends for... Phir Wahi Talash was shot over a long time. Ruk jata tha, phir chal padta tha. It was meant to come. And Lekji used to always say कि ये नीलमा की वजह से ज़रूर आएगा, इसकी किस्मत में है. But ठीक है. I mean, then we became friends. We stayed friends for a long time. Then we started enjoying each other's company. Then, slowly it moved into a relationship.
But a brave decision. I mean...
Yeah, but I was also very hesitant.
They say once bitten, twice shy.
Yeah, but I was also very hesitant about making it a serious thing because I had a child.
Yeah.
And to get into another marriage was a big one. No? It was a big decision for me. And I had to wait and see how everything is sitting well or not. So, that's natural.
So when you married Rajesh, Shahid started staying with you and Rajesh?
Yeah, absolutely, from the beginning. And he was with me all throughout. Shahid was with me, except for 9 months in his life, where he had to complete his class and then come down to Bombay. He stayed with his Nana Nani, and I went down quite often. Because for me, those 9 months were also quite a bit to stay away from my son.
If I'm not wrong, it was Shahid who pushed you to have a baby and he wanted a brother.
He didn't push. Shahid is not a pushy fellow, first of all. It's just not in his nature to insist or to push. He very sweetly, beautifully, dreamily said that I would love to have a brother.
And how old was he that time?
13 and a half, 14, whatever. 13 and a half, I think. He said, I would love to have a sibling and I would love to have a brother. So I told him, sibling I can take care of, and let's pray for the brother you want.
But somewhere you wanted a daughter, I think, that time.
Yeah, but for me, because I came through as a single mother, and my love for my son, which was a conditionless, unbreakable, flowing love, which for the first time I felt in my heart that you can actually love someone so much that it can brim over from your heart and make your heart so much bigger like the sea. So that's my love for my children. And for Shahid, because he was my firstborn, he was with me for 15 years before Ishan came. So it was all about him. And when he said that he wants a brother, I didn't stop to think about it. I mean, maybe at one given time, I would have also thought one son, one daughter.
Yeah.
But now when I look back and see Shahid and Ishan, I can't imagine any other child in
यार
that
दो
place.
टैलेंटेड बच्चे आज तो ईशान वहाँ पहुँच गया है कि बोल नहीं सकते कि वो कम टैलेंटेड है या वो कम टैलेंटेड है या वो ज़्यादा है या वो ज़्यादा है.
I don't think there should be a comparison made. There's a 15 years difference.
Comparison नहीं होना
15 years
चाहिए.
of experience on Shahid's part.
अभी homebound
And
Oscar
Ishan
में
is,
homebound for Oscars.
Yes.
And everybody is
And
enjoying
Ishan
it.
has just come through bubbling and fizzing, It's
He was
beautiful.
classic in Dhadak. He was classic. The focus was on Janvi because Sridevi's daughter, but he was classic. And he's an excellent dancer, as good as Shahid, I guess.
Yeah. I would say so.
So, Darwin's theory is true or what? Pankaj Kapoor, great actor. Rajesh Khattar, great actor. Neelima Azim, great actor and dancer. Shahid Kapoor, great actor and dancer. Ishan Khattar, great actor and dancer.
God's been kind. Yeah. It's not necessary that if the parents have a certain very strong affinity or talent or leanings, the child would also have
It's
it.
not.
It's not. We have so many examples,
Yes.
millions of examples.
Yes.
So
In Bollywood also.
So I've been very, very fortunate. And maybe there's something okay with the bringing up.
Of course. Of course. it is.
Artistic, no ambience.
ये नाम ईशान किसने रखा? शाहिद नहीं रखा?
ईशान मैंने रखा.
और शाहिद नाम किसने रखा?
वो भी मैंने ही रखा.
So it's
लेकिन everybody said yes. If they hadn't,
So it's something to do with bringing up, right from the word, the
नाम
the naam.
देने से लेके हाँ.
So tell me, first movie of Shahid रिलीज हो रही है और आप कहाँ थे, कब देखी, क्या वो उस वक्त क्या हुआ?
इश्क विश्क.
Yes.
इश्क विश्क में तो I was with him on the set every day.
Every day.
Every day. I used to shoot, then I used to run to his set. And all the major scenes, I would shoot in the day, I'd be with him at night. If I was shooting at night, I would adjust. And my producers got quite tired of it. Till Ishq Vish was
Mummies used
complete,
to come for daughters.
I was adjusting.
In
No,
Bollywood.
that's not the reason. I think it was more of an artistic bond. It wasn't about maa baithi hai, ya, anything like that. It was about his sharing his first ever experience, in a film, in the lead, and wanting me to be there. And then we would also discuss, we would do a lot of So I think it was a bond.
फिर कब छोड़ा जाना आपने? सेकंड फिल्म से छोड़ दिया?
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
शाहिद ने बोला अभी मम्मी बस.
It was understood. He was बंजा हुआ by then. चला गया अपने सेट पे दूसरी पिक्चर. फिर उसका करियर टेक ऑफ हो गया. Then I mean he was independent, strong. वैसे भी था वो, बहुत curiosity थी, quest था to know what he has to do and how, and he had, I think, done a lot of preparation in his own head. And he is that kind of an actor who would work. And so yeah, but by the second film, he'd done one film, he was through.
ईशान की फर्स्ट फिल्म बियॉन्ड द क्लाउड्स में भी आप जा रहे थे?
I went just 3 times or 4
He started
times.
shooting for Beyond the Clouds first. Yeah.
Yeah. I did go, but I wasn't there all the time. That was different. Yeah.
लेकिन वहाँ भी पहुँचे आप.
He was happy to be on his own. He's like that. Ishan is
Indulgent
like
mother,
that.
indulgent
Ishan
mother.
is a Scorpio, and he's number 1. He's born on 1st of November.
So let's
Very
talk about
strong.
let's talk about both of them. What are their strong differences and strong similarities?
That is something.
Even
that,
khana, pina, dress, everything. I want you to describe Ishan and Shahid. Dissect them.
well, I think Shahid is very soft and sensitive. But he's a man now. So he has a tough exterior. But he will always be that soft and sensitive, dreamy boy. Ishan, I think, is very exploratory, adventurous, and very curious mind. Also soft, but I think definitely stronger in some ways. Shahid is somebody who's paved his own way. So, I mean, you can say that he's a tough guy now, I mean, despite his soft heart, he's a tough chap. And Ishan is very independent, loves to share, is very loving, he's a very loving son. But his journey is pretty much on his own. He likes to fly alone. He travels alone. He does everything alone. And Shahid, I think, is a family man, loves to be surrounded by his own people. And so does Ishan. Ishan is a very, very affectionate family boy. But that, I think, is the basic difference. That Shahid has always yearned for, his
People around him.
Family, I would say, more than even friends. And I think Ishan hangs a lot with his friends and brother and mama very strongly affiliated with these two people in his life.
वो जाते हैं शाहिद के घर पे रहने को?
Yeah. I mean, I think whenever they have a free day, they're together.
ईशान जाके रहते
I
हैं
mean,
उधर?
Shahid and Ishan having free days. It's
Difficult.
no, but it's a celebration when we're all together, because then it's a lunch and it's hanging around, and because we're from the same field, so much of chatter, so much of discussion, so much of excitement. It's lovely. It's lovely.
Tell me about the खाना पीना, dresses. उनके वहाँ choices similar
So
हैं?
Ishan has come into fashion suddenly, and he's found his own niche, and suddenly he's become like he's become the fashion ambassador
Fashionista,
from
yeah.
India all over with the highest brands, and he's all over New York and LA, and so he's gone suddenly into that. But it was always Shahid who was the fashion boy, who had a great sense of dress, and I think it's a difference of times also. Shahid is of course simpler, I feel. He is of course a bona fide star, Hindi film hero. But he's basically simple, I think. And he just is very artistic. So he has a great flair for everything. And he's very clear about how he wants to look, or what his hairstyle should be, or what he's wearing. And he's very altruistic with fashion and everything. It's just a natural thing inside him. His house, the way he'll decor. It's just like that.
Is he fussy about what he wants to wear?
I don't know. I don't like the word fussy. Particular is nice.
Okay.
And
Is
I
he
think-
particular?
Yeah, I think so. Without being difficult, and without sort of
Because काफी
making a
matching-
thing out of it.
काफी
very
matching-
quietly he does it. Yeah.
Matching वो पहनते हैं.
Yeah.
हाँ.
बहुत अच्छे से अपने आप ही खुद ही बहुत खूबसूरत.
And what
But
else?
Ishan has suddenly become such a big guy in the
What
world of
else I
fashion,
heard about
mashallah.
Shahid is very, very possessive about his hair.
Yeah, I mean, again, the word particular is, I think,
Possessive.
applies more. Possessive, if he was so possessive, he wouldn't have made himself bald for Heather. So I think the actor in him is, I think, far bigger than the boy. The good-looking boy, with his beautiful hair and his large eyes and his beautiful smile. I think basically Shahid के अंदर जो कलाकार है, जो आर्टिस्ट है ना, वो इतना strong है, exploratory है, he just went bald for Heather. And what he did with his wig in Urta Punjab, with that one side Fuddu written and all that, वो tattoo and with those long hair on one side and all, he's experimental. He's very experimental.
यार वो कौन सा बेवकूफ़ था जिसने उड़ता पंजाब को लीक कर दिया था ऑनलाइन?
यार हमारे कंट्री में बेवकूफ़ नहीं है, हमारे कंट्री में करप्ट है. बेवकूफ़ नहीं है, चालाक है.
यू मीन कनिंग?
नहीं है.
जब आपको आके शाहिद ने कहा कि मैं यहाँ पता चला आपको कि बॉल्ड होने वाला है,
मुझे नहीं बताया था.
अच्छा,
उस वक्त मुझे नहीं पता था. रिसेंटली फॉर द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स वो ज़्यादा शेयर करने लगा है. Because I think he's become very comfortable about what we are going to see on screen about him, or he likes to share it very closely. He's become like that now. पहले he used to like to give you a surprise. वो छुपा रुस्तम वाली जो बात होती ना, कि खुद अपने कैरेक्टर के अंदर और क्रिएटिव टीम के साथ और डायरेक्टर के साथ वो जो है, तो let the family also see it for the first time, full impact, like then I'll come to know what they're saying.
तो कैसे पता
पर
चला?
अब नहीं है, अभी शेयर कर देता है. तो मैं कभी बोलती भी हूँ, इतना मन दिखाओ तब भी दिखाई देता है.
तो कैसे पता चला?
When I saw the film.
आपको पता नहीं था तब तक? बहुत बड़ी बात है.
But he is like that. He likes to, especially when he knows he's doing something very different and new. So he likes to give you a special surprise.
Close your eyes and tell me, शाहिद की बेस्ट सीन आपको कौन सी लगती है जो इमीडिएटली याद आती है, और ईशान की भी? You have to choose one.
Well, it's very difficult to say because there's so many. But definitely Shahid's performance in Kameene when he's in the police station and they're torturing him and pulling his nails out, and him singing in that pain and with his nails being pulled out. Definitely that comes to mind. ईशान के मेरे माइंड में और शाहिद का भी एक ही सीन नहीं है, बहुत से सीन्स हैं. जर्सी में भी द वे ही इज़ पर्जिंग एंड letting it all out against the sound of the train. So that is a very big one for me. The way he's played his extreme drunk scenes, like when he's sitting in front of the शराब खाना बैठा हुआ है वो दुकान के सामने, किस तरह की लैंग्वेज है उसके बॉडी की and all that, brilliant. And I think both my sons do their breakdown scenes very well. So Beyond the Clouds, yes. But there's one particular scene in Beyond the Clouds that I thought Ishan can do desperate beautifully. When he's running behind the police jeep where they've picked up his sister and they're taking her to put her behind the bars, and he's just screaming and saying uski galti nahi hai. So I think he was absolutely mind-blowing there. So many scenes in Homebound where he's just killed it. He's just beautiful in that one shot when he's just looking at Tabu in Suitable Boy. And so both the actors, I'm tremendously proud of them. Shahid has mastered his field. He's mastered his profession. He's mastered his craft. Today I think he's a very complete and exciting actor, extraordinary. He does, so many things. I mean, that are always like, oh God, acha, ye. Jaise abhi when he played that cop, that mad cop, na, he was like...
In Deva?
Yeah, in Deva he was like intimidating, he was scary. Which I can't imagine with Shahid. That scary part is just not there in his personality.
But I remember that scene in Haider on the road where he goes...
That soliloquy I must mention, that he...
Solid insane.
That monologue where he's, saying hello, hello, hello on the mic. So that was a brilliant performance. I thought he was brilliant in Bismil also. That song he did. I mean, there are so many I'm sure I'm missing out on. But yeah. Ishan, in everything he's done, he'll give you one scene where he'll kill it. And he'll take it right to the top and beyond. Yeah, he also has that intensity, for drama. So yeah, they're both fabulous and in their own places.
Is Ishan also very particular about his personal life? Say there were rumors about Ananya. Then now,
that I'm not getting into.
Now they are saying Chandni events. Does he share?
That I'm not getting into.
Does he share his love life with you? Mummy, I'm dating someone.
We share our lives completely.
Okay.
So everything about our lives are just an open book with all of us. Whether it is his brother and Bhabhi, and whether it is me, he is very close. And with me, he shares everything. So, but I respect them because they are grown-ups and they have very, very, very strong personalities. I am much cooler. I can talk about myself, I think, more openly, and they are definitely very private about their lives.
Nilima, tell me, you spoke about so much about Shahid and Ishan. I said they both are great dancers, but you are the Kathak exponent. Of course, they are not doing Kathak. Now you choose who is the better dancer. Are you going to give them same marks?
I don't compare artists ever. Even my own self, I don't compare to other people. And I wouldn't compare my kids at all because they're very different dancers. And they have their own self-expression in their dance, So I would never compare. I would not compare my dancing to anybody's either. But the good part of this is that they're my extension. And I can see so many dimensions of my dance in both of them in a different way. So yeah, that's another interview, that's another journey, that's another story.
But I'll
share about dance.
I like to share.
Talk about dance and what is dance.
I want to share my viewpoint on his best role. I think we had a brief chat when we started that interview, or this interview. It's Jab We Met. I tell you honestly, that role is very difficult. I'm sure there was a director involved, a good director, Imtiaz Ali, who was to hold every actor in this kind of a role, which Shahid did. But the actor responding to that is equally important.
See, he's very endearing in Jab We Met. He is very interesting in Jab We Met because it's not your regular hero's role. It is about a boy that is in the shadows who emerges. So he actually becomes the central focal point of the girl's interest at the end of the film. So the whole journey is about him supporting her need, her desire, her dreams. And from that experience, acquiring a new perspective in life, which is so positive and optimistic. And so he becomes so successful once he goes back to his company. And his more understanding and loving factor with his mother, who obviously they were very, very tense about the relationship from his side. So I think Jab We Met is a very interesting story. It is maybe a near perfect film of its own genre. It's the most loved of its times, and maybe many, many years down the line also. It just got re-released and
Packed houses.
Packed houses, audiences.
You know
were
that movie
seeing the
has-
same- I was there, I took his children for it. I took my grandchildren for the film. And we heard people actually repeating the dialogues and the songs and dancing. So it was amazing.
You know that movie has made the media think about headlines. Shah Rukh meets Salman. Jab Shah Rukh met Salman. Jab this Prime Minister met that Prime Minister. Jab A met B.
So met, yeah.
Journalists, editors have got this ready-made heading. You must have seen it.
Yeah, it's gone viral. It's become like a way of speech and like
Absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely.
headings. Yeah.
Absolutely.
I understand. Yeah, it's very much in fashion.
I felt this role, now again comparisons are unfair, but sometimes they are inevitable. You know, they both are so good, Kareena and Shahid, in that. But it's little easier to do a role which is, you know, playing to the gallery, louder. And it's far more difficult to play somebody so restrained.
But that thing he always does.
Yeah.
I think in Padmavat he played restrained too. And very royal, very dignified, very restrained, a very handsome king, much in love with his queen.
Yeah.
And all that romance and everything with so much dignity and flair, you know. So I think he does play quieter, introspective, internalized roles very well, because I think that part of Shahid is very, very deep, even in his personality, even in his character, even in his own real life. Shahid has lots of layers. He's deep. When you talk to him about life, you sometimes feel you're talking to a messiah. You're talking to a guru, you know. It's true.
Does he read a lot?
He has his own interests. He reads, I think he's more into psychology, philosophy, and of course he's well read about politics and all that world affairs, but that most intelligent men are. But he's got his own leanings. He has a lot of quest for spiritual, for the unknown, for the spiritual truth. So all that. So yeah. He's a very beautiful boy. That's all I can say. A very beautiful boy.
I am sorry to ask you this, but we have lost 4 great actors.
Yes.
And incidentally, you happen to work with 3 of them.
Yes.
Pankaj Dheer,
Yes.
Asrani,
Yes.
and Satisha.
G.
And Dharamji, whom you knew
Yes, I
fairly
did.
well.
Yes.
Start
Dharamji was a very rare human being. I think Dharamji was a very loving man. He had another level of warmth and affection, you know. And the few times that I met him, he was very encouraging, and he was full of praise. And so a man who's most probably the golden boy of Hindi cinema, besides being so charismatic, and he, you could say, was very cute also. And of course, the volume of work, the popularity, the iconic stardom that he brought along with his name, he didn't carry it in his personality. He was very down to earth, very real.
Yeah,
very
you could go to
genuine.
his house anytime. You could call him anytime. He'll
Yeah.
pick the call. Sir, मैं आना चाहता हूँ. आ जाओ.
हाँ. I'm proud that I've shared my sun sign with him. And I think Sagittarians are basically overtly emotional people. He was a very emotional man.
My
बात
elder son is
करते-करते
my
आँखों
elder son
में-
is Sagittarian.
Acha. So you know what I'm saying. Yeah. But you know what? I mean,
Where did you meet him?
so I met him in Film City once. I met him at a gathering once. Shoots, otherwise.
Mm-hmm.
But not working in the same film,
Mm-hmm.
on different sets. And he was just,
Yeah, yeah.
he
He'll always beckon and
also
start talking.
and Mr. Shammi Kapoor also. And I was very, very fortunate that right from Dileep Sahab to all the veteran actors like Nadira ji and everybody, right down to Rajendra Kumar and Tapas Subji and the whole lot. I mean, they've given me my awards, Hema ji too, and they've said the most wonderful things about me and loved me so much. Dev Sahab and everyone. So I was very fortunate. It was quite a favorite.
You met all the legends.
I didn't meet them. They seeked me out. They loved me because of Phir Wahi Talash. Phir Wahi Talash, and some of them because of my dancing too. Those who were interested and those who were introduced to my dancing. That was a big plus also.
You don't feel like going back to television?
Not television. I don't think I have it in me to do television anymore. In terms of the hours, in terms of the health, in terms of also the subjects. I think I'm done with it. Though
You
it
don't-
made me what I was.
You don't like today what you see on television?
I don't associate with it.
You don't relate to it?
I don't want to have an opinion on it. I don't want to be superior. I don't want to have a criticism on anything. I've reached that point in life where I like to embrace everything with respect. But and it's made me who I was. Phir Wahi Talash, Shehnaz will always be a mountain of everything in my life in terms of success and popularity. Also, I think the kind of performance I gave, I was different. It was unique, so it was lovely. But the kind of love I've received from Phir Wahi Talash, and I've done a whole lot of other stuff which has been loved. I've got some 27 Best Actor awards for, and most of them for Phir Wahi Talash, and some for the others. So yeah, I mean, I'm just saying that as an actor, I worked opposite Asrani ji. I'd like to say a special word for that. I was very fortunate that I did a film in which I played his wife, and he played a very khudus Buddha who is married to this very attractive woman who's very flirtatious and pretty and bubbly and all that. So he's always on his toes. And so we had some very crazy scenes of fights. Pankaj Dheer I worked with in Sadak, and we had just this one scene where we are terribly frightened of him, and he storms into Avtar Gill's this thing, and we are running for our lives. So Pankaj Dheer, and we spent a little bit of time with, and it was very nice. And then Satisha, interestingly enough, we worked otherwise also, but basically we started our work together, and it was very special is because he played Shahid's father in Ishq Pishk, and I played the mother in Ishq Pishk. So he played my husband. So it was he's very special because he was playing his father in his absolute first debut film. So yeah, and he was lovely. He was lovely. He was just.
I can't
Satish
forget
ji
that
was
episode if you
lovely.
remember, Ye Jo Hai Zindagi Wala.
हाँ,
30 years ka
30
experience.
years ka experience. And he was such a cultured, refined man, you know, besides the fact that he was doston ka dost, dosto yaro ka yar. Lovely person. I also knew him through, our group of friends through Rahi Masoom Raza. So his son Irfan Bhai was very close to Satish ji. So we had get-togethers and dinners and parties together. So it was just lovely.
अपने फिल्म्स के बारे में बताइए, आपने ज़्यादा परस्यू क्यों नहीं किया? अभी भी मैं बोलता हूँ, नीलिमा जी, अभी भी मैं बोलता हूँ, if Neena Gupta can come racing back like this by just putting an Insta post
Yeah, but you
that
know,
I want work.
Yeah.
You who have accomplished yourself as an actress in such good films,
जी
you can be right there in the center.
जी बिल्कुल. I've been very fortunate. I worked with very fine directors all my life. I mean, name them from Lake Tandon to Rishikesh Mukherjee to Mahesh Bhatt to Ramesh Sippy.
Yeah, Sadak Mahesh Bhatt.
Yeah. And also I did a film with Ramesh Sippy, Zamana Deewana. And I worked with even the very, very popular directors like Raj Kanwar and all in absolute central senior lead roles with opposite Raj Babbar, and it was a very star-studded film and all that, Itihas. So I mean, I've done my fair bit. I would love to work again. I would like to say that. I would love to work again. I'm ready to work again. I'm all set to work again. I've been a good mother. I'm fairly loving and available grandmother. And now Ishan. And of course, at the time when Shahid was growing up, we had a big family set up. And so I could work. Later, I was more or less the only one that was around at home. My mother had grown very old, so for Ishan. And I did do work. ऐसा नहीं है मैंने बिल्कुल काम ही नहीं किया. मैंने 10-12 छोटी फिल्में और 3-4 वेब सीरीज़ वगैरह किए उतने सालों में. And बहुत अच्छे पसंद किए गए, smaller platforms and all, but my mom and co and all were very popular and I was given a lot of love. I did a little bit, you know, idhar udhar. Even did a sequence in Dolly Kitty and और चमकते सितारे to specially mentioned my performance and all. तो मैंने काम तो करती रही मैं, but उस तरह से regular तौर पे going out every day for months and years ऐसे नहीं किया. तो वो एक phase आया. फिर उसके बाद I was there for my grandchildren happily. That was a self-made thing. Nobody asked me to not work or something like that. But I liked to be there at beck and call. And it was very special for me to be there for my grandchildren because I have formed a very deep and beautiful bond with them. The most honest, lovely bond with my granddaughter and my grandson.
Talk to me about Misha and Zayn.
What can I say? They are the color of our lives. They are the rainbow of our lives. And जिसे कहते हैं कि चांदनी भी वही हैं और सूरज भी वही है. चमकते भी वही हैं और ठंडक भी वही देते हैं. तो बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे जिसे कहते हैं कि if there was, you know, when your children grow up and they step out into the world and go away not forever or away forever or anything, but they're away a lot. There is a thing called an empty nest syndrome. And I think because I was very, you know, children, family oriented always and wanting to have a nest and working for it, it was an empty nest for me. And I think my emotions were filled with happiness because of my grandchildren. They did that.
And what do they call you?
They call me Dadi.
And
I tell them, call me Dadi Jan. So sometimes when they want to please me, they say Dadi Jan.
And what do you call them?
So I call Misha Jan Batasha. Batasha is that thing that you put in your mouth and it just melts like sugar. It is sugar. And I call my grandson Jan Babusha. And sometimes Pyar Se Babushka also. So Jan Babusha and Jan Batasha. I call them that. And Mishki and Z. So she's Mishki and he's Z. Smart little boy Z.
और ये नाम कुछ आपने रखे?
सभी बुलाते हैं. कोई मिश्की बुलाता है, कोई मीशा बुलाता है, कोई मिशबाश बुलाता है, कोई कुछ बुलाता है, ज़ैनू बुलाता है, कोई बहुत कुछ. Everybody has their own names for them. But I like to call him Z. I just see him like this really attractive young man called Z. Though he's very cute and affectionate and extremely emotional and everything, but he's He's a very good looking boy. He's a handsome boy. I like to call him.
Shahid is also very good looking. So
yeah.
according to you, who does he resemble? Meera or Shahid? Zayn resembles whom?
तो उसकी जो एक बेसिक झलक है वो तो शाहिद की तरह है, सभी कहते हैं, मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, नहीं तो लोग बोलेंगे माँ है इसलिए कह रही है। बट फीचर्स अगर गौर से देखें तो मीरा का भी है उसके अंदर, बट जनरल झलक तो साशा जैसी है डेफिनेटली, बहुत ज़्यादा।
मीशा?
मीशा लोग कहते हैं मेरी तरह है, सो आई ऑलवेज टेल मीरा कि तुम कुछ तुम्हारी तरह कुछ मेरी तरह, बट लोग कहते हैं मेरी तरह।
मैच करो ना फोटोज आपके बचपन के और
नहीं बिल्कुल सब
मीशा
कहते हैं, सब कहते हैं, नहीं सारी दुनिया कहती है, खुद मीरा कहती है, खुद मीरा कहती है, खुद साशा कहता है, सारी दुनिया कहती है। तो
आप लोग घर में शाहिद को साशा ही बुलाते हो?
मैं साशा बुलाती हूँ।
अच्छा, और मीरा शाहिद ही बोलती है?
हाँ, और ईशान भाई बोलता है।
ईशान भाई बोलते हैं। और शाहिद क्या बुलाता है ईशान को?
ईशान ईशू बुलाता था, अब ईशान बुलाने लगा क्योंकि अब वो बड़ा हो गया, अब उसकी एक आइडेंटिटी बन गई, एक पहचान है उसकी। हाँ, अब बड़ा भी हो गया है उम्र में, ही जस्ट टर्न 30। सो ईशान अब जो है, ईशान को हम लोग, मैं इश्का बुलाती थी उसको, इश्क जैसा इश्का।
सो हाउ ऑफन डू यू मीट? शाहिद को कितना फ्रीक्वेंटली आप मिलते हो, बच्चों को और ईशान को भी? अभी ईशान भी
like I said, we pull time out। मैं तो बच्चों के साथ बहुत रहती थी क्योंकि बहुत छोटे डन्ने मुन्ने थे, और जब दोनों both the parents were traveling or doing long hours of shoot or not being in town and all, I was with them. I was that one grand parent that
used
was
to go and
always
stay
there.
at their place.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Obviously.
Yeah.
I even stayed in Bias for a long time with them alone.
अच्छा.
So yeah. So when the parents are working or they're doing very long hours, then it's nice to have me around.
Naturally.
It's nice. They feel very relieved that I'm there. And then कभी छोटे होते हैं बच्चे तो बीमार भी पड़ते हैं, ये सब होता है। You have to be there, उनको ड्रॉप करना, उनकी सिक्योरिटी नज़र रखना, उनके इमोशंस, हर चीज़। माँ बाप अगर नहीं हैं तो फिर उनको मिस ना करने देना जितना हो सके, ये सारी चीज़ें। आई एम एन एंटरटेनिंग ग्रैंड मदर, दे हैव फन विद मी।
तो आप भी आजकल फ़ोन सेवी हो गए हैं, वीडियो कॉल करते हैं बच्चों को?
ऑफ कोर्स। इसमें फ़ोन सेवी क्या, उससे तो बेहतर ही है, थोड़ा और भी आता है।
और वो भी करते हैं आपको?
हाँ बिल्कुल, वो तो वीडियो कॉल ही करते हैं
आजकल। तो बच्चे बचपन में ही फ़ोन यूज़
मुझे कभी भी उन्होंने वॉइस कॉल नहीं किया, जब करते हैं वीडियो कॉल ही करते हैं।
अच्छा।
हाँ,
दादी जान को देखना है, दादी जान को देखना है,
बिला वजह फ़ोन करेंगे और मैं कहूँगी अरे हाउ आर यू, व्हाट्स अप, एंड they'll just go and start making their faces and doing their comedy and just creating a lot of fun, lot of laughter. They're joy, they're just pure joy.
So दिन में एक बार तो बात हो जाती है?
नहीं, नॉट नाउ, अभी बहुत बिजी हो गए भाई। अब तो जैसे कैबिनेट के पीछे अगर आप किसी मिनिस्टर के भागे वैसे।
ऐसे क्यों?
क्योंकि they're doing so many things माशाल्लाह,
हाँ.
so multifaceted, happy to do, learn and grow, and so yeah, like I said, they're quite multidimensional. They're into art also, so they're into sports also, and their minds, they're developing so well, so into all that kind of educational stuff, which is recreational also, and drama, theatre, मतलब सब करते हैं, बहुत अच्छे। They're very good sportsmen also, football हो गया, ये हो गया, cricket हो गया, I mean, terrific kids, माशाल्लाह, I'm very proud of them.
मीशा को भी क्रिकेट
खिलाओ। They're good writers, speakers, everything.
मीशा को भी क्रिकेट खिलाओ। अभी वुमेन्स क्रिकेट इज डूइंग बेटर देन मेंस क्रिकेट टुडे।
No, but she has chosen football.
Yeah.
And I think both the parents are very supportive of what the children have in them, the inclination they have. But they're still growing, na? It can still be added, subtracted. Anything could be changed, interchanged. Anything can happen. अभी तो बहुत कुछ करना है दोनों को।
तो नीलिमा जी, आपका दिन कैसे बीतता है? अगर आप बच्चों को अभी काफ़ी नहीं मिल रही है ज़्यादा, मैं तुम्हें बताऊँ पूरा दिन कैसे बिताती हैं?
बच्चों के साथ पहले वो, लेकिन मेरा एक ये भी
अभी हाल ही में कैसे, मतलब
मैं एक बता रही हूँ मैं आपको कि मेरा ये भी हुआ कि मैंने 10 साल की उम्र से काम किया। मैंने थिएटर 10 साल की उम्र से शुरू किया, फिर वो बीच में टूटा फूटा। मैंने बहुत परफॉर्मेंसेस किए महाराज जी के साथ पहले, फिर मैं 15 साल की उम्र में सोलोइस्ट बन गई और मैं इन डिमांड थी तो बहुत परफॉर्मेंसेस करती थी, कोरियोग्राफी, उसके अलावा क्या क्या, मतलब एवरीथिंग दैट यू नो, डांस इन्फ्लुएंस, एंड देन उसके बाद शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता टेलीविज़न। तो मैंने काम करते 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 मेरे कितने साल निकल गए ना। तो उसके बाद जब बच्चों ने कहा कि ओके फ़ाइन, आप आराम भी कर सकती हैं, तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया विकी, क्योंकि मेरे बचपन में जो मैंने मस्ती नहीं की काम, बिकॉज यू सी बीइंग अ क्लासिकल डांसर इज़ ऑल्सो quite pressurizing, let me tell you. Not that I felt it, because I think I was just want to be the water duck, you know, the duck in the water. So it was a way of life for me. I loved it. It was a source of great happiness, but it's a lot of work. And then, you know, performing and excellence, pressure and all that. So I think I just loved doing nothing. So मैंने actually I spent a long phase of doing nothing, and now I should get up and start doing, because ये कब तक चलेगा?
You enjoyed that deserving phase which you got.
Of just resting, relaxing, being with family, traveling, and you know, just hanging with friends or doing what I love to do, like writing, reading, watching my favorite shows,
आपको
listening to music, exercising, training. I mean, whatever.
आपको एक फिल्म भी बनानी थी, मुझे याद है.
हाँ, वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसमें बड़ी जद्दोजहद हुई, बट द प्रोड्यूसर्स फ्लंक्ड आउट बिकॉज दे वर नॉट, आई डोंट थिंक दे वर जेन्युइन, सो या उसके बाद फिर
एक्टर्स को साइन भी किया था उसमें.
हाँ, साइन कहाँ हुए थे, पैसे देने पड़ते हैं ना
बात हुई
साइनिंग
थी
के लिए,
आपकी.
लेकिन अनाउंसमेंट हुआ
प्रियंका
था,
से बात हुई थी.
अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था, एंड वो दैट वाज द सेकंड टाइम शी वांटेड टू डू इट,
अच्छा.
and so she said go ahead, put it together. But I think अकेले मुझसे हुआ नहीं, you know, I mean, like if I had a team or if I had a support system creatively and
स्टोरी आपके
otherwise
पास
business.
अच्छी थी.
हाँ हाँ, पूरी लिखी हुई थी, बहुत मजेदार है.
और
अभी है
हीरो कौन
मेरे
होने
पास.
वाला था उसमें?
वो तो फिर रहने दीजिए, जब हुआ ही नहीं तो क्या नाम लेना.
मैं चाहता हूँ आप पिक्चर बनाइए और आपकी एकेडमी भी डांस एकेडमी होनी चाहिए.
थैंक यू सो मच विकी, दिस इज द स्वीटेस्ट.
आप सोच रहे थे, मुझे याद है.
अभी भी है मेरे अंदर, क्योंकि आई फील दैट आई शुड डू इट द राइट वे, और खड़ा करना चाहिए मुझे, बिकॉज वेरी ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग आई कैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट, आई कैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट क्वाइट स्पेशली.
मैं एक बात पूछूं आपको, आप कथक में इतने एक्सपर्ट हैं, तो आजकल की फिल्मों में जो कथक ले लो या और कोई इंडियन क्लासिकल फॉर्म ले लो, कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. ये एक बात. दूसरी बात, आप ले लो फिल्मों का जो कोर मटेरियल है, स्टोरी, जो न्यूक्लियस होना चाहिए, वो भी नहीं दिखता है. गाने भी पता नहीं क्या हो रहे हैं. आपको ऐसा लगता है या खाली मुझे लग रहा है?
See, we come from a very different school of artistic and aesthetic perception. We have grown up on those films. That has been our food for thought and imagination and creativity, right? So I feel that naturally every generation one feels that this is not my view or my point of view or my way of looking at a story or whatever. But yes, to a large extent I feel I may be wrong, and I would apologize to all those wonderful people who are so creative, that I think writers is what I miss. I remember हम लोगों के ज़माने में, वक्त पे, जब कहानियाँ, जब हम लीड्स कर रहे थे, सेंट्रल रोल्स कर रहे थे, जब हमें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स मिलते थे, या हम चाहते थे ख़ास तरह का एक एक्सपेंशन, यू नो, एक कैनवस जिस पे ये भी वो भी, उस वक्त राइटर्स जो हैं जब आते थे, आपको कहानी सुनाते थे, नरेशन देते थे, डिटेल्ड या फिर वन लाइन सिर्फ कहानी, पर तब क्या उनका होल्ड होता था नरेशन में, और ज़बान, फिर उनके जो डिटेलिंग होती थी, उनके इमोशनल जो होल्ड होता था. And definitely it was a certain kind of cinema, whether it was parallel or it was commercial. They knew their parameters, they knew the language, they knew how it's going to be painted and what is going to be the flavors of the film. And very clear as to what they're making. There was no confusion there, there was no intellectualizing, there was no pseudoism, nothing. And I respect the young lot. They're doing stuff maybe I don't relate to now. So they are very interesting and all is very nice. They're exploring new mediums and new forms of filmmaking, right?
मेरी शिकायत ये है,
I do feel that हमारे ज़माने में personalities, actors, especially actresses, they're dancing. If you just look at it from not a place of criticism, but just of someone who has come through that journey herself, I do feel that old was gold. And the real stars existed then because there was. But in fact, I think today so many actors are actors. They're not just star actors. They're actors. They're strong actors. Besides
मेरी
being
शिकायत
stars.
नीलिमा जी यही है कि ये हम बहुत टाइम से बोलते आ रहे हैं कि ट्रांजिशन में हैं हम, चेंज हो रहे हैं, इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं, ये सब वर्ड्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं, बट आप कितना टाइम चेंज होने में लगाओगे उसको होल्ड करने में, समझने में,
Actually,
पकड़ में लाने में?
It becomes very difficult for me to be candid. I am basically a very bold speaker and a very, very honest one. And being a Sagittarian, also blunt, I would say. But I have learned to rein it in because I don't want my sons to feel uncomfortable who are very generous in their thoughts about other actors. They are very generous and they are very respectful and very non-critical. I have never heard them make fun of another actor or. So even if they are themselves much more evolved as actors, they really respect somebody who's found success because of the work they've put in, है ना? So they respect. तो मैं ऐसे नहीं कि मैं disrespectful हूँ, but I like to call a spade. But I have stopped doing that now.
It's not the fault of only actors, it's the whole system which is being strategically
I agree with
ignored.
You. I agree with you, but I also think that there is a crop of actors now that are neither putting great spectacular stardom into the commercial aspects of films, where their aura is like that, and they are, like see Sholay, Dharmendra and Amitabh Bachchan. So I don't see that either. Heightened stardom, heightened larger than life, iconic stars like what you call film stars, yeah, right? I don't see that. And on the other side, and the kind of looks and everything. And on the other side, I don't see a very serious lot of actors who are fighting for telling the stories so beautifully and intricately. So I don't see even actors looking for something more. And I think that makes a huge difference because an actor actually sells a film. So people will tell the stories they want to tell. ऐसा नहीं है. Today also an actor is a very strong motivator and the crowd puller. So उनकी सुनते हैं. उनकी बात में वक़्त होती है, वज़न है. But I think कि वो अंधाधुंध कुछ चल रहा है और खोज जारी है, लेकिन बहुत क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि क्या ढूंढा जा रहा है या उसकी ज़बान नहीं मिल रही है. कुछ तो है जिसकी वजह से, सॉरी टू से, मुझे लगता है कि एक बड़े लेवल पे जैसे मेजॉरिटी जिसको कहते हैं, थोड़ा खोखला और फेक,
hollow. Let's conclude by imagining a film which is going to be remade and you want to see Shahid in that particular role and another film which should be remade with Ishaan in it. Or maybe the same film with Shahid and Ishaan both together.
पुरानी फिल्म है से
कोई भी. The ball is in your court.
Well, I'd definitely love to see both the boys do a film like Ganga Jamna.
Wow.
I would love to see Ishaan in a film like Aradhana.
Double role, Rajesh Khanna.
And I think he would carry two people off very well. And I would love to see Shahid to most of the films of those eras which stood out, like Guide. I can see him in every romantic film of those times. I can even see him in a lot of Rajesh Khanna films which are really good. I'd love to see them do a film like Anand, play a character like that. So yeah, I mean, and so many more, which is not coming to mind. But also the characters that Guru Dutt used to sketch out, you know.
So intense.
Yeah, definitely,
So
they deserve
melancholic.
it. Yes, but they have that deep souls, you know, that those wells in the darkness inside. They have those reservoirs as actors. So I think both of them deserve multifaceted characters to play.
Rajesh Khanna, Dilip Kumar.
Obviously,
Guru Dutt.
always.
But trust me, you have sons who have those elements.
Yeah,
They are blessed to have a great mother like you.
thank you.
But you are also equally blessed, if
Thank
not
you.
more,
Thank
to
you.
have great sons like them.
Thank you so much. Lovely
Neelima ji.
talking to you, Vicky.
Lovely talking to
Thank
you as well.
Very happily announce that I have done this one episode with Mr. Vicky Lalwani, who's an old hand, who's a journalist from the times that I can identify and associate with. I know him for many years. And it was after a long time that we chatted. And because we know each other for a long time, it was a very comfortable place to be able to open up on. And I always wish Vicky the best because he's fabulous and he's there, he's important, and so he's relevant even today. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.